Hi, how much you love your wife or husband? Very much? Yes. But the secret of healthy, happy family is in once a day, at least praise your wife or husband with whatever good they have done and see what miracle happens. Not only your wife or husband will feel happy, but it will reflect on your good health also. Because Ayurveda says that praising others for good things, it is not that just commercial things or something, really for good things, if you praise anybody, then that helps for your health. And if you do it from your home, from your wife or husband, then the love also will increase and the happiness in family also will increase. In my clinic for last 30 years, we have experienced so many things that the relations are most important in life and the egos are so bad that they affect the relations. So to tackle this, if you need our help, my mobile number, I'm Dr. Medha. My mobile number is 704 558 9981. Just WhatsApp me, don't call. And Tanvi Herbal Clinic free checkup is always there for you at Thane and Dadar. You can just visit there, or you can take free consultation on 98200 75812.